El Tesoro, Chef AJ Black, executive chef and owner of El Tesoro Restaurante, and we making lamb chops al vino rosso, red wine lamb chops. The lamb chops, I would like to season it. I have a little bit of a seasoning here. I use it. It's basically like a garamellata, which is an Italian seasoning. It's have like a little bit of shallots, rosemary, and I give it a little bit of rubs of the garamellata, and basically give it a little salt and black peppers. I like to give my lamb a little bit of color, and I'm going to give it just basically a little bit of reduced balsamic. It's a balsamico. That's very typical in all Italy, basically. And we're going to have it on the grill. That's the way it looks before it goes on the grill. We're going to have to grill it to give it a little bit of flavor, and then we'll finish it in the oven. So we're going to make the sauce itself for the lamb right now, and we're going to start it with shallots, garlic, and I'm going to add something today, a little twist. The cherries is a very summery for red wine sauce, and that will make the red wine sauce a bit more attractive. So I'm going to also do something with a little bit of olive oil here. Gonna start back again, getting hot pan and shallots, and we'll check on lamb. Basically, I actually finish it a little bit in here. Spectacular. I love the sherry's first, so by the time I finish, the sherry does not exist in the flavor only. And like you see, give it that color that you want right away. And I'm gonna give it red wine, and the red wine, plenty of red wine. Okay, lamb chop al vino rosso was, of course, lamb chop, red wine with cherries, and of course over a little bit of art and love. Thank you for coming to El Tesoro. Buon appetito.